This is a video on how to install a non-latching XLR on your sound bullet. So the new XLR design allows for faster input line check-in. We removed the inside groove to prevent the XLR from locking when plugged into XLR panels. You'll require a Torx size 10 driver and any plastic tool with a sharp end. In the replacement kit, you'll find all the required components, including the non-latching XLR barrel and 2 Torx screws with appropriate isolating washers. Only remove the output XLR, leaving the input XLR in place. First, we remove the circlip. Its job is securing the pin assembly in place. Simply pry the circlip by using the sharp end of the plastic tool. The circlip should pop off easily. We won't need this again as the XLR barrel provided already has a circlip fitted. We then undo the 2 XLR screws. If your sound bullet has Phillips screws, you can use a standard Phillips screwdriver. Remove both screws. You won't need these again as you'll use the new ones from the replacement kit. Once the XLR is loose, gently push the pin assembly inwards, freeing it from the barrel. Make sure the isolating gasket doesn't fall away. If your version doesn't have one, you can use the spare one from the replacement kit. Now it's time to install the non-latching XLR barrel. Please ensure to use the 2 Torx screws provided and keep the isolating washer on them. Take a visual note of the connector's orientation. The Neutrik logo should face the upper side of the sound bullet. Gently slide the pin assembly into the rear of the barrel. The side grooves will guide it into the correct orientation. Apply pressure with the plastic tool to the centre of the pin assembly and not on the wiring, as this may damage the soldering joints. The pin assembly will make a click sound when properly inserted. To double check the pins are secure, push them from the connecting end. If they do fall back, you might need to check the circlip orientation. The circlip features 2 cups. The hollow side should be facing away from the flat end of the XLR barrel. Now align the connector to the body of the sound bullet, just making sure no wiring is caught between the barrel and the sound bullet housing. Now, by using the Torx driver, install one of the screws at a time without tightening them too hard. The final fastening is done by applying pressure to the top and bottom halves of the housing to prevent unwanted gaps. Nice one! Your sound bullet's almost ready. Run a simple continuity test by powering up the sound bullet and holding the select button for 2 seconds. Plug a trusty XLR cable to both sides of your sound bullet and cycle through the pins by pressing the 2 button to make sure all 3 pins are good. And that's how you replace your XLR on your sound bullet. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments section below, and you'll also find a bunch of useful links in the description.